Hey guys, I'm Pam and welcome back to my channel. We have a lot of questions about what filter is. Is it necessary to have a filter on your lens? When you use it, how to use it? And today we're going to talk about the CPL or polarizing filter, which is the more important one. Polarizing filter is an essentially key for landscape photography. Especially for me, I like to go to the beach for beach photography like I always do. Because they cut down the reflective light and the water is got clear and filtering the light from the sky. That means we got blue sky. So this is the filter. This is the filter. I got three different filter. I can show you that. I can explain later. And we got lens and we just put the filter on your lens like this. It's so easy, right? And when you put the lens, you just turn it or rotate it to the right angle. Because the filter is composed of the glass, the two glass, and we can rotate them to the angle that we want. And this is what happened. Because of polarizing filter, it comes with different band. If you want a good quality, like me, for images that we will get, just remember that the expensive one will come with the green coating, and the cheaper one with blue coating or no coating at all. I can show you. This is the cheaper one, just like about $7 or around 200 baht. When we reflect, where is the light? When we reflect, we will see the blue coating, okay? And this is the expensive one. The expensive will come with the green coating, and this is the no coating at all. I can see the many fingerprint on the glass, and it is so hard to clean. And thanks for watching my video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell to the notification about my future video. This is the best way to support me. And thank you. If you have any comment, recommendation or any comment, please give me in the section below. Thanks and bye.